Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Rain World, and we'll just get right into it again. It has been a while again. I'm sorry, these last couple of episodes have been, they've been recorded at an interesting time in my life. I've been moving, I've currently got tooth pain that I've got under control right now, which I got right after being sick, right after finishing moving, so for a lot of reasons, I'm excited to get back into Rain World, and today, I believe I'm just here to... still don't know what these things are, but I'm just here to go explore the garbage wastes. The third area that I've been in. Eventually I want to go down there, actually, because that's where there's going to be food. And look, it's... I wish I knew what the symbols meant. Oh, wait, hold on. Right there in the bottom right, there's like another one of those pearl thingies. Hold on, wait. I remember in my last one, yeah, the green one appears on the map for some reason. That one's not appearing. And there's plenty of, it looks like there's plenty of spears over here, and it looks like it also like reset from last time. Okay. If I do that, and now I can do that. Oh, now something's coming after me, but it's okay. Because now I can go up. I definitely haven't been this way, so... Whoa. Okay, first thought, this looks like a boss, but no, actually... It looks like its own area. There's these things. It said Scavenger Merchant. Hey. I don't have a weapon in hand. It looked like it went away. It said it's a merchant. Does that mean I can buy things from it? Or maybe I can just trade with it? I don't want to kill it, though. It looks like it's squinting at me. It doesn't know if I'm friend or foe. It's coming after me now. Hi? What are you doing with me? Are you trying to grab me? Okay. There's one of these guys nearby. Oh, I think I've seen... If this is a... Okay, hold on. Is this a merchant? Or is it just someone who happened to spawn when I entered that room? Uh-oh. No, no. No! No! Oh, okay. Well, here I'm dead. Too many leeches on me. I like the music. Music got changed up somewhat. Okay. This is fine. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna be losing karma, I guess. But hey, that's fine. Fine by me, I guess. Now, hold on. Since I didn't save last cycle, is my spear still gonna be there? I don't think it is now, actually. Oh. Is there a war going on here? Hi. Are you trying to kill me? Yeah, it looks like there's a war going on. I'm just gonna ignore that because I don't know what I'm supposed to do with these guys yet. This guy looks potentially scared of me. He's throwing little rocks at me. There's another guy. I'm finding a lot more of these guys around here. Okay. Now I just hear little, like, maracas. Oh, now the maracas went away. Oh, hi. It's a they're back. Okay, never mind. The maracas are back. Oops. Sorry, I'm not trying to kill you. Please, they're gonna kill me instantly if I accidentally hit them, aren't they? Okay. Huh. Down there is where I died last time. And I should be ready to fight anything that I come across. Oh, wow. Oh! Is that what these things do? Do they just... They ignore me, but they disarm me. That's definitely what one of them did. Goodness, how do I... Uh-oh. Something's coming from the left, probably. From the right? Oh, look at the guy on the right. It looks like he's looking the bottom of the water for stuff. If I get up here... Uh-oh. I was gonna try to go around on the top, but... Why is the music getting louder? What's that down there? Is that like a little worm? Why is this orange and not white anymore? What the heck is this? Is it alive and can I eat it? I just did. I don't think I want that. It's screaming. Does it have an explosive? Did someone... Is this like a spy camera someone set up? An auto explosive thing? Whoa, this place is huge. Whoa, are those on the other side of this lake explosive? Those like red looking plant things. See what happens if I throw it, I guess. Yep. Those are explosives, all right. Are these things gonna kill me now? Wow. I did not expect that from this game, per se. Whoa, are these things moving? Also, if I take this, are they gonna try to take it out of my hands again? Huh. Okay, I think it's getting dark. Yeah, I'm pretty much out of time. Oh, wow. Yeah, this place is really interesting. And then there's this bomb thing that's down here. What? Oh, and then there's more of these guys. There's some food. Kill one of those. Don't need this. Oh, I'm stunned or whatever now. I'm stunned again. Okay, well, this was a fun cycle. Finally get to explore like a new place, kinda. Ooh. I eat this last second, I save my karma. Is that good? I don't think so. I'll save it for next time. Does it appear on my map? No, it doesn't. Oh, wait, there's a hole. Oh, I don't have the... Wait, hold on. Hold on, no. Let me leave. I don't have a food for this place. Okay, I'm not gonna go any further, otherwise I think I'll have been here and done everything already. Alright. Yep, let's drop in that. How splendid. Oh, wait. Oh. Okay, so that top left one is the Saint path, I guess. And I just lost progress towards it. That's interesting. I did not know you could lose progress. Well, I still don't know what progress does, so, you know, can't lose what you don't know you just lost. Okay, hold on. I gotta go over here. Come on. Drop for me. I need thee. Splendid. Now I take this thing with me over this way. I do that. And I stun those leeches. I get my breath back. Uh-oh. They're after me. Why is everyone over here now that I'm going over here? Ah! They're after food. Look. One of these. Hold on. Okay, I can't get that up there. I don't know how to, at least. Uh-oh. What's this? Music. This sounded like a ultimate warning music. Where am I going? I'm seeing a lot more of these people. Oops. I'm seeing a lot more of these people around. And they have explosives. Oh, that guy just got stunned and knocked out a bit. They've got... Okay, I don't know if he has got explosives, but he's colored like the explosives are. I'm just gonna run. Since I really don't... It's proved somewhat fruitless so far, trying to figure out what I can do with them. Am I gonna find another, like, hibernation area back here? Oh, I didn't even mean to catch that. Okay, if I have a spear here, I can do that. Ha! Huh, I can like kind of... If it was maybe a little bit lower, I could kind of reach it. Well, I guess I'll head back because I'll have to figure out how to get past that area some other time. I also need to find a way to get up there somehow. Ooh, I kind of did like a long jump there. Holy cow, why did you... Excuse me. Oh my goodness. Just started attacking me for no reason. Am I food to you? Okay, I kind of have a plan where to go this time. Like, why are there explosives? Those plants seemed explosive. Is that just what the world's like? Okay. I don't actually remember which way. I'm going this way. Where I want? I think that's where I want? Or no, that's where I came from. It was basically like somewhere over here there was stuff. Okay. I haven't figured out this person. The music almost seems to come on when it feels like... I think it's like not the music. There's like... I noticed there are music in the game for when you like first show up, but... I mean like the beat that starts coming on. I feel like that only starts coming on when there's like some threat. Yeah, like that guy. Oh, this music though. That said, it can't follow me, can it? Also, why are these things orange? The little tubes I go through, they had white bits at the end of it, but they're all orange now. Oh, that thing pretty easily grabbed me. Wow. I'm gonna go to the left here. Uh-oh. Hold on. Yeah, there are stuff down there. I died down there once, but there is also stuff to be looked at down there. Okay, I can't kill these guys. It's actually kind of interesting. It is bothersome that they seem so intent on disarming me. Uh-oh. These leeches are like actually dragging me down. That's kind of crazy. Like I can't balance on it if I have got leeches on me. I really need to bring those stun things with me when I see them. I just keep ignoring them. Because now I'm bringing all these leeches with me. Like I'm bringing them across like bodies of water. Okay, hold on. Did I ever go left here? I have. Right is kind of where I haven't gone. This thing, it looks like a worm with a top hat. But if I throw it, it starts screaming and flashing. Maybe it's not actually an explosive, you know? Maybe it's just imitates explosives so that it can... so that people will drop it. Oh, is there bubbles over here? Or maybe the water's just so bubbly already that I don't need bubbles. Okay, have I been all the way this way? Oh, this is where I was going when I, yeah, no, this is where the box is that I was looking for. This is where I was going when the, everything was going downhill. I just killed that. Okay, I found that funny for some reason. Look, these just... I don't need specific water for these berries anymore. Just because this gross... Oh, I don't want to think about it. This is garbage water in it. Who's garbage? Ow. Oh, I got 4, so... I can move in closer now. Whew. We'll see if I get any path unlocked, I guess. I don't think so, because I don't... Or if I need karma to be any of them, you know? Look, see, now I've only got, what? I had 4 paths, now this time that's 3? Oh, wait. I know why, because the saint. I only went 1 forward on the saint path, but then I went backwards, so now that one's gone to me now. Oh, wow. I don't know what to make of that. Somewhat concerning to me. Okay, so this way is the place that I couldn't explore because I was drowning. Okay, cool. Is there a way out of here other than wait for the water to come? Oh wait, actually no, this is where... I think I've already made it farther than I did before, right? Okay, I can kind of spam the wall jump? I'm gonna spend way too long doing this. Okay. Oh, wait a second. I think I just did something cool. How do I go up there? Oh, like that. Cool. That thing can't follow me, can it? That thing definitely looks too big to follow me. And now I'm in uncharted territory, at least. Uncharted for good reason, it seems. Can I get past that thing? It camouflages. It's a freaking camouflage. Oh, and it's got a really long tongue. Electric bug? Is that gonna explode with electricity if I get close? What is going on? Explosives? Another... Uh-oh, I fell. Where am I? Oh, there I am. I thought I was my own enemy for a second. I'm gonna pick up this in case they all come for me. Okay, I'm gonna eat this bat. Uh-oh. Nope. I'm not gonna fall for that again. Okay, now this thing is actually coming after me. I need to figure out how to do this. Okay. Hold on. If I throw you, can you help me? Hold on, if I get enough food here, I can go to that new area, right? Oh shoot, where did my berry go? Can I eat it while in the water? I don't think so. Okay, air. I eat this. Now I got 4. How much time do I have left? Oh, I got half the day. Okay, this, I need actually things to fight with, otherwise I'm doomed. I'm doomed right here. I hate it. It camouflages. It's like nothing I can just easily grab. To even like stop it for a second. Oh, I have like I have one thing. Yeah, no. I stunned it for like half a second. I'm gonna see where it takes me. Because that's where I was trying to go once I got all my food. Well, it's like walking on the... It's like flying. It's walking on the background wall or something crazy. Well, it makes sense. It blends into the background. Oh, I forgot. I'm closer now, right? Okay. So hold on. If I... Oh, wait. I can take this. I pop it down here. I grab it. Oh, I forgot. Leeches. Dang it. I eat. I have one out of 4 done. Can I stand in this waterfall here and it just does it? No. Okay. I survived again. These leeches are actually like... They're pulling me down? Goodness gracious. And if I eat this bat, this is all good. However... Oh, there's gonna be the camouflage guy somewhere around here. Alright, show me where the danger is, helper friend. Crystal worm. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm actually supposed to get up here. I think I know how. I think I just have to get good. Or maybe that thing up there. I keep thinking that's gonna do something. It probably does. There'll probably be a way that I can use it. Oh, it's eating stuff. Ugh. Oh, great. Oh, hey. I can do this. Well, with that news... Whew! I made it to another new place. In the garbage wastes. Okay, no new progress anywhere. We'll have to see. I'll have to figure that out one day. If I take one of these with me, will I be like extra protected? Oh, great. Can I grab those orange bugs? Let me see. Oh, there's one right here. No, I can't. Oh, I can. Ah! It shocked me. If I do that... Oh. I should have jumped. Hold on. If I do that. And then I go... I can climb to the top here. Ah! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, for some reason I couldn't figure out how to get up there, so I'm just gonna go this way now. Like a normal person. Can I eat you guys? Oh, wait, no, you guys do that, right? You guys explode in electricity. Is it when I hold you it does that? Oh, man. I have so much to figure out. And this feels dangerous. Oops. I wanted to throw my thing at it. I wanted to throw a spear at it. See if I could slay the great beast. Okay, I'm gonna grab you. Just because I still think you could be useful. And I'm gonna throw you! What the heck is this giant thing? It's got like a weird mask. It's like a vulture. And it's coming again. Oh joy. And I missed hitting it. Wait, where am I? Is there another one? Are they attacking each other? Or stealing each other's prey? Ah, I stabbed one! Ha! It doesn't like that. Oh, it's got like a... Oh, where am I going? No, no! No, I hate those things. I hate those things. How am I making it past this guy? Ugh. There's like something here. No, it's a... Is that a dead body of an enemy? Because if that was the... Why is there darkness coming up from the bottom of my screen? Did I go in a circle? No, I didn't. Oh, shoot. Where am I going? I don't know where I'm going. Hey. Oh, these are hostile at me. They're hostile. Ah! Where did I feel like I'm going down like a rabbit hole, literally. Oh, is there another box this way? How much time do I have left? I still have half a day. Oh, now and then things have calmed down like a little bit. This guy's telling me that there's bugs one direction, but I see there are berries in this direction. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. However, if I eat this berry, and I go down here, and I eat that, and take that. I eat both of these, and I go over here. Oh my goodness, I'm like, how many of these things have I found? Oh, I was like, oh wow, you speed it up with the spacebar. Interesting. That was my mistake. Mostly. How long have I gone? All of this is just the garbage wastes, right? I only just discovered this place last episode. And there's my green pearl, which... And somewhere over there was like a silver pearl that I didn't end up getting. This is all new. Actually, I came in on the left side for this one, I guess. All right, enemy coming after me. Oh, I thought that would be solid. It's not. Gonna grab this thing. Oh, there's a giant thing in the water there. Holy cow. I'm being warned of them all. Okay, well, somehow I made it here. Oh, look, there's like a thing down here that brings me up there. Cool. There's like a blue thing up at the top left that's like flapping its wings. Oh, and look, I got my 2 friends now again. Where am I going? Oh, I missed. That would have been cool if I'd gotten it. I don't have anything else to fight with now. Oh, I got a silver pearl. I'm eating that, just in case. Uh-oh, giant monster. Uh-oh, what's this music? Oh, there's another one. I feel like it can't get me if I'm under one of these things. Oh, I like this music. It looks like it's just... Why are these bats even, like, flying around? They fly away when I get close, as if I'm more of a predator to them than this thing is. Okay. I haven't seen this thing attack me yet, but I have a feeling it's only a matter of time. And hey, now I'm somewhere where I once was. Oh, maybe I think I'm starting to remember now. I think I have been here before, just maybe from the other way. Yeah, because this is where I couldn't get past. Wait, so how do I get back? Okay. That should be grabbable for me. Yes, it is. And now these guys are back. Uh-oh. This thing, it's got music, but it doesn't even seem like it's trying to murder me. Can it see? I don't see eyes on it. I'm just gonna run past it. Oh wait, there's the pearl. Is this a new pearl? I'm gonna eat this pearl again. Wait, hold on. I guess I'm just adding to my collection. There's 2 pearls now. Okay, day is halfway over. And I'm carrying a pearl for some reason. Ah. It looks like it just moves around and like grabs its feelies, and if it happens to grab you... Uh-oh. Like that? Look, it's like trying to reach out to grab me. I should not go through right now. Oh, one of these things is... Uh-oh. This is not good. This is definitely not good. Here's where I die. Yep. Well. Huh. Well, with that, I think that's all I have time for today, so that's where I'm gonna end today's episode. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching, and I guess I'll see you in the next one.